Today, I am reviewing AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D 16-thread CPU. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is a powerhouse processor that brings the latest Zen 4 architecture to your desktop, delivering a level of performance that is hard to match in its class. Designed for gamers, creators, and multitaskers alike, this 8-core, 16-thread CPU provides speed, efficiency, and reliability for every type of task, from high-end gaming to content creation and demanding office workloads. At its core, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D operates at a base clock speed of 4.2 GHz, ensuring rapid execution of instructions, while the combination of 8 MB L2 cache and 96 MB L3 cache allows for near-instant access to frequently used data. This results in smoother multitasking, faster load times, and superior performance in memory-intensive applications. The octa-core design with 16 threads gives you the ability to run multiple applications simultaneously without compromise, making it perfect for streamers, video editors, or anyone who needs high efficiency for multitasking. One of the standout features of this processor is its 5nm process technology. This advanced fabrication allows for a higher transistor density, which directly translates to improved efficiency and performance per watt. Despite its powerful performance, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D remains energy-conscious, providing a balance between speed and efficiency. With a maximum operating temperature of 89 degrees Celsius, it stays reliable under heavy loads, ensuring that you can push your system to the limit without worrying about thermal throttling. For gamers, this CPU is particularly impressive. The built-in AMD Radeon graphics controller offers excellent graphics output for games that rely on integrated graphics or when paired with a discrete GPU. This means you can enjoy smooth gameplay, high frame rates, and crisp visuals without immediately needing an additional graphics card. Even in competitive gaming scenarios where every millisecond counts, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D delivers a noticeable performance advantage, thanks to its high-speed cores and massive cache memory that accelerates game performance. Content creators will also appreciate the high thread count and large cache, which speed up rendering, video editing, 3D modeling, and other processor-intensive tasks. Applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, and Photoshop benefit significantly from the multi-core architecture, making your workflow faster and more responsive. You can multitask, run virtual machines, or stream live without compromising performance. Installation is straightforward with the Socket AM5 platform, which provides support for DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, giving your system the latest connectivity and future-proofing for upcoming hardware. This makes it a great choice for anyone looking to build a high-end desktop or upgrade an existing system. The CPU's compact 2.8-ounce design ensures it fits comfortably within most modern desktop cases while maintaining excellent thermal performance. Another advantage of the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is its dependable and consistent performance. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games, running professional software, or performing daily computing tasks, this processor ensures that your system operates efficiently and without lag. The combination of Zen 4 architecture, high clock speeds, and massive cache memory results in faster data access, smoother multitasking, and enhanced overall system responsiveness. In summary, the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D 8-core, 16-thread desktop processor is a true high-performance powerhouse. Its Zen 4 architecture, high-speed cores, large cache, and integrated Radeon graphics make it ideal for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand speed, reliability, and future-ready technology. From intense gaming sessions to multitasking and content creation, this CPU handles it all with ease. If you are building a high-performance PC or upgrading your current system, the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is an investment in speed, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. With its remarkable multi-core performance, energy-efficient design, and impressive integrated graphics, this processor is designed to keep you ahead of the competition, deliver smooth performance, and provide an exceptional computing experience for years to come.